Ebigambo bya President Museveni arukwigabanya dino kwero mu kurwana sobworo byabaye ryo mu butumwa bwe obwashoma umuhezi wa Major Jessica Rupo ku kingo riterana rw'ebiro bishatu orwa International Ecumenical Fellowship Africa.
You cannot obtain the goods and services which are necessary to sustain life without money. Moneylessness can be eliminated by undertaking a profitable enterprise in one of the four sectors of commercial, agriculture, industries, services, and ICT.
Museveni yahereze mahandena Uganda bakubasakura bamukwebinga hobworo erumukwejumbiro mu byo buhinge no burisa iby'amakorero ibyo buhereza hamwe na ICT.
Construction of the necessary social and economic infrastructure as a way of facilitating and attracting local and foreign investments to create jobs and incomes for our people. However, this infrastructure must be translated into jobs and wealth for the households.
We have 223 acres of coffee on church land, not land for Christians, church land. Christians, we have about 38 acres, smallholders, but our plan is to expand so that we work with the Christians and even Muslims, whoever comes. Actually, we started the cooperative society and called it Revival Coffee Cooperative Society, and it has about 4 associations.
Umukoro guhona gwahona kano Edith Nakarema urukora kachihuka State House Investors Protection Unit.
Bishop Church University nareba neza kuyambira kimwe ihanga ryona okongera ebyo kuhinga ebyo kurisa na neby'enkurakurana IT narebera kimwe abana ba Bishop Stewart n'abacyara bitu aba Mothers Union abine evarkwiho umuberere bikabe bintu birungi munonga za tegomati bakihamwe ibitenge bakihamwe ibyo oburago bw'amaju.
Uruterano rutebekanasibwa hamura maguru kugira ngo regional development rwetabirwamo abantu binjo kurugumanga nka USA, South Sudan, Kenya, Uganda, Congo, Rwanda, Burundi, Romania, Canada hamwe na United Kingdom. Gashakwa Abdukarim Sengendo.